Welcome back, guys. We are going to be digging through my spring FabFitFun box. I am so excited because this to me marks the beginning of every new season, and I have partnered with them for this video. So if you guys have not watched these FabFitFun unboxings, this is a seasonal subscription box. You get it every season as opposed to every month. It is filled with full-size products, you guys. I cannot emphasize that enough, and it's different from every other box out there because it has makeup, beauty. Those are kind of like the same category, but it also has lifestyle, fitness. It literally has a little bit of everything, and that's why I love this box so much. It is $49.99, but if you are a new member and you want to try out FabFitFun for yourself, you can get $10 off using my discount code. It's going to be right here on the screen for you guys, and also there will be links down below, so definitely check that out if you guys see anything that you like. You guys, something new and exciting that you may not know about is you're now able to customize a lot of the products in your box. Before my past unboxings, it was usually a surprise. Like, I tried to stay away from the spoilers. How do you guys like that ASMR? Let me know if you guys are into ASMR. There's something just so like soothing and satisfying about hearing like paper, like new paper, like tissue paper. So this is the inside of my box right here. But I think this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the items that I actually personally picked out and tell you what your options are and what I ended up with. And that way, if you guys do like the items, you can sign up for the box and get first choice on everything. Okay, so the first one, you had a choice between a Robe, a demi backpack, and an aromatherapy diffuser. So I actually thought the diffuser was pretty cool, but I actually own two of them already, so I didn't need that one. So I went with the Robe. I just really fell in love with the pattern. This is what it looks like right here. You guys know I'm all about robes. Like, I think I'm in a robe like 70% of my life, which I'm not sure if that's a good thing. Feels like it's gonna keep me nice and cool in the springtime, but yeah, it's so pretty. So the Robe is a little bit on the short side, so I am wearing it with leggings. So even though it's short in the front, if you can see in the back, it is on the longer side. It is a one size fits all, so for size reference, I am a medium up top, and then in jeans, I'm usually around a 27. The next thing I could pick between was a pair of the My Girl Key sunglasses, which I actually had a pair. I had the blue pair, and those are some of my favorite sunglasses. I don't know what happened to them, but they're really cute. The Key Vivienne Black Smoke sunglasses. There's also a picnic set or a Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I feel like a broken record, but I swear FabFitFun has like the best value for skincare. I've discovered so many favorites through FabFitFun. But the reason I didn't pick that one is because I already have some sleeping masks that I need to go through. So can you guys guess which one I picked? The Vivienne Shape. So I thought these were so cool. You guys know I'm obsessed with aviators. I actually have another pair that's very similar, but it's black and it has the ombre effect from Key. I love those so much, and I find myself reaching for them a lot more than my Tom Ford. Let me show you what these look like on. And I feel like these are gonna go with like a lot of face frames. These retail for $60, and I hardly see this style go on sale. So I think if you go to Nordstrom right now, it's gonna be $60. So this right here made the entire value of the box worth it. If you guys want like a new pair of sunglasses for the springtime, get the FabFitFun box. I don't even remember what I picked for this next category. So you could pick between some copper-plated measuring spoons, an aromatic body lotion, or a mystery item. I did pick the body lotion. This is from the brand Libido. Ooh, this is like nice and thick. Right up my alley. I definitely smell the oranges, and yeah, it smells really, really good. You can definitely still feel it. It doesn't like sink into your hands very quickly, which are my personal favorite type of hand cream. So if you're like me, you're gonna love this hand cream. Let's see what else is in this box. I love Swell bottles, you guys. I have a few of them. I'm obsessed with them. I don't see anything from the description, anything different or anything like that other than the shape itself, which I think it's really cute. But when I'm on the go, I actually prefer something with a top on it because I want to be able to like throw it in my bag. So I do really love these Swell bottles. So this is a $50 Hellofresh gift card. It's so funny because me and my husband were just talking about trying Hellofresh again. The last time we tried it was like 2 years ago, but we haven't tried it since. And I see a lot of my favorite YouTubers talk about it all the time, so we may give it a shot. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to this, if you've tried it, or if you have like a different meal delivery system that you like, let me know down in the comments. You guys, I've been dying to try something from this brand. So this is the Way Haircare brand, and this is the leave-in hair conditioner. It passes the smell test. It smells really fresh and clean and just a tad bit floral. So it is a little bit on the thicker side. It doesn't feel super heavy though, so let me just... This is one I'm gonna have to wait to use until my hair is wet and then detangle it and see if it actually works. So this is a champagne charcoal scrub. This sounds so fancy. This looks like something that would look really cute next to my bathtub. This also comes with a little safety seal on it. I do not have any body scrubs right now, so this is so nice. I feel like I haven't done a pamper routine in so long, like I should probably do an updated one. Oh my gosh, I just got like a whiff of that scent. It smells so good. Do you guys remember the Herbal Essence shampoos, like from like back in like middle school? I totally just gave my age away. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? It smells like that combined with like gummy bears. That's such a weird way to describe something. It looks like almost like a deep purplish black color. I will definitely be trying this ASAP. So here we have a Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. I don't remember if I've actually tried it, but the packaging looks so familiar. So this is what it looks like. And I believe this, you just put it underneath your eyes as kind of like a treatment before you apply makeup. It has peptides and botanical extracts to visibly reduce the look of under-eye bags and dark circles for rested, youthful looking eyes. I'm all about anything that depuffs. I don't necessarily have like dark under-eye circles, but I definitely get puffy. Next we have, oh, it's a jump rope. During the spring and summer, they usually start including a lot more workout stuff, because you know this is the time that people want to get healthy and work out. And this is actually really cool because I've been looking for little like quick little workouts that I can do at home. Maybe if I put this jump rope in front of my chips, I'll be motivated to work out before snacking. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. If you guys do subscribe to FabFitFun, let me know what customizations you made, or let me know what items you're going to be expecting. And if you guys want to try it out, use my discount code. I'll have the links down below. Get $10 off. And also let me know what you end up picking for your box, because I'm curious. I want to know if we pick the same things or not. With all that said, I am going to let you go. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.